Hello kids. Red color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, green color and orange color. Today we will have fun with color. Orange color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A. Small letter A. A for aeroplane. Orange color. We will make A from orange color. Blue color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Red color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. We have completed our aeroplane. B. Here we use pink color. B. This is capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. This is small letter B. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. Blue color. Here we have balls with different colors, which we have to prepare with different colors. Yellow color. B. B for ball. Red color. Here are some stars. B for ball. B for ball. Pink color. B for ball. This is red color. Now we color the another ball. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Now we have completed our 3 balls.